Hello everyone, I am Walt here with the Enlightened Life series and such, with our 63rd principle here in 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. So, 63 parts in, we're talking about having a smoothie. Yep. This one is supposed to make you happy. Okay, I think that this one really comes down to, a lot of this stuff really comes down to personal preference at the end of the day, but smoothies. What is there really to like about smoothies? Well, one thing that you can like about them is the amount of fruit they have in them, how tasty that can be. I'm not sure why you need to grind that all up. I think that grinding it up yourself with your teeth is a little more fun. I personally am just as I've said in previous videos here, I'm a real fan of fruit, so I don't really have an issue with just having, fruit just as is and such. But whatever you want to do with this one, I would say it's up to you and all that kind of fun stuff. Of course, like many of these, I'm just not really a smoothie person. So if you want to have a smoothie, go ahead and have a smoothie. It can be good for you, antioxidants and all that. Going to slow down the oxidation reaction. I can talk all about the science of oxidation if you guys would like to hear about how that's going to help, and such. But for the moment here, at least for the context of this video, not to go beyond kind of just the general thing here about having a smoothie. A smoothie can make you happy because it's, it's good for you, it's tasty, it's a little something that you can also take the time for, because a large part of being happy is giving yourself the time to be you. We're always under such pressures from others, from our fears, and, from our, kind of perfectionist attitudes, and all these kind of forces that are just kind of knocking us around like we're the ball in a pinball game, It's like, boom, 20 points over here, boom, aim here, We're just getting hit by the bumpers over and over again, shot back in the game. Pew, pew, pew. And a lot of being happy in life is simply being able to not do that, to get out of that for a minute and do something for you, do something that's going to make you happy and that you're going to enjoy. That's not to say that meaningful work isn't good, because I'm a huge advocate of meaningful work. It's simply to say that you really want something where you're going to be able to not only do meaningful work, but to take the time to do the things that you want to do and to be yourself. I would say that's the big takeaway here. Anywho, that is about it for this principle, so I'll see you guys next time with the next video. Check out, of course, some of my books and materials on Amazon if you're interested in any of those kind of things. If you want to buy any of those, it really supports the channel, helps out with this kind of stuff. Otherwise, of course, just stick around, comment, do any of that kind of stuff. I love hearing from you guys. You guys take on all this kind of stuff, and if this kind of material is helping, because that's what this is all about. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with our next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.